Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to be unboxing the EcoFlow RIVER Pro portable power station. I recently got this for use in my camper van, hoping to initially just have it connected to the van battery so that it charges while driving around, and then eventually get a solar setup going. This one right here is 720 watt hours, I believe, and it's also expandable so you can double it. It tells you what kind of plug it works with. These do come with 3 600 watt AC outlets, which is the inverter's rating. It is quite the heavy box. Let's put that away. So this is the actual box. One of the big things going for the EcoFlow power stations versus other brands like Jackery is how quick they are to charge when plugged into an AC outlet. Here it advertises 0 to 80% in 1 hour, which is quite impressive. This is the front of it. Nothing on the back. Pretty simple box. All right. Oh, nice sheet here. Pretty nice packaging. There's also an app to go with it for making various adjustments, changing the charging mode. And here's the charger itself. You can see at the front, you got 3 USB Type A ports, 1 USB Type C port, which has a 100 watt output, which basically means you can plug in your MacBook Pro directly into this without using the brick to plug it into the AC outlets here. And then here it looks like it's telling you instructions on how to turn it on. And there's also a light here. I guess you need to turn it on first to activate that. Let's turn it on. Cool. And it comes at 30% charge. And given that it's not doing anything right now, it's gonna hold this 30% charge for 99 hours, which I'm guessing is the maximum it can show. Nice little handle to carry it. Nothing on the back, just says EcoFlow. So this is the side for inputs. And you know, you got your AC input when you want to plug into the wall. Guessing this is for solar. And this one right here is for resetting it in case it's overloaded. Silica snacks. Put that to the side. Put this here. Let's check out the light. Pretty loud beep. I hope you can turn that off. I'm pretty sure you can in the app. In this box here, you've got the instructions on how to use it in the back. It says please fully charge before use, which I'll definitely be doing. And I'm guessing some cables in here. All right, so this is the car charger, which you can plug into the side. This, I'm guessing, is for solar. It goes into the same plug. That's all in there. So we got our AC wall adapter to plug into the wall. These are for DC charging. You can plug in right here, and it's a pretty standard input. Instruction manual, some instructions on how to use solar. That is pretty much it. So I went ahead and plugged this into the power, and it took about a minute, but it got up to 600 watts of input, which is quite impressive. And as you can see, this paper is moving, and you can probably also hear the fan, but that's the air blowing out of here. It's making my room smell like new electronics, which is not a bad scent. And it also says it's gonna take about an hour to charge at this rate, which is quite impressive. Anyways, let's go back and wrap up the unboxing. That's all for this video. I'm going to be setting this up in my Delica, which I made a video on recently, and I think I'll be doing more videos on it as well. And get it working, maybe go camping with it for a couple nights or however long it lasts. Maybe report back with another video. If there's anything in particular you want to see, leave it in the comments down below. As always, if you like this video, give it a like. Bye-bye.